Darwin state problem. Alright! Woo! Dang it! Woo! Yeep! Okay, Darwin, it's okay. It's just a pinball. But I'll need to call it there. Okay? Actually, sister, in case, what are you excited about? I'm going to Darwin State Restaurant! It's a beautiful copy of the date. Going. Wow, I never heard that sound before. Okay. Hiccups. Okay, so. Great! The day is almost time, and there's no way I can kiss her like this. I can do it. I know we can go with that. Well, the girl, you can go the very well. Good. Oh, yep, it works. I don't guess it. We should do it. Well, that was weird. Oh, that put to the work. You know rules. Yes, lots. I am a scared. Follow me. Okay, where'd you go? Fuck off! Did that work? Are you okay? Are you okay, little bro? Ugh, no. Girl, that didn't work. Let me have a plan. I'll give her a big scare. Well, that plan works. They're good. Yahoo! Now I can go to my the outside restaurant. Let's go! Here we go. Now he's excited to go. Aren't you, buddy? We're here. I'm here. Let's go find her. Whoa! Excuse me. Darwin? Okay. I got this. Oh, thank you. His hiccups! They're gone!
Your nose looks like it's running.